Hey, good morning, San Antonio. Janet Wingrove here. Thank you for joining me live this morning. Today, I want to talk about down payments. One of the questions that I get asked quite a bit or often is, do I really need a down payment to buy a home? Well, we're going to talk a little bit about that. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer that for you. You can also find this information on janet.sahouses.com as well. So first of all, like I said, I always get that question from buyers, do I really need a down payment? And so, in my opinion, if you have money saved and you're able to put a down payment down or on a house, it's always going to be better. Reason being is the more you put down, obviously, the better it is going to be, or it's going to bring your mortgage balance down, which in turn brings your mortgage payment down. So in that respect, if you have the money saved and you could put a down payment down, then I always recommend that you do that. So let me get my glasses on here. What if you do not have money saved, right? So what happens with that? Well, there are different types of loans that you can apply for or that you could qualify for that require either little money down or actually zero down. So again, you would have to qualify for those loans. But for example, you do have a VA loan, which is great for military people, that requires zero down. Then you also have FHA, which is 3.5% down. You also have conventional loans, and now there's a conventional loan program that allows you to put 3% down. So, which is all great, right? And we also have today down payment assistance programs where you can actually get a forgivable loan in a sense, or down payment where you can get help if you don't have that money saved. Then there are loans, or now you can do down payment assistance programs, and again, those are forgivable. But to learn more about those programs, of course, you want to get with your mortgage lender, and then you want to see what you qualify for as well. And don't forget that your credit is your best friend. So obviously, the better your credit score is, then the easier it is going to be to qualify for a mortgage loan, right? So the lower your debt to income ratio, the better it's going to be. A typical lender will require a good credit score somewhere around 680. So remember that your credit is your best friend. Also, if you put 20% down, then that avoids PMI, private mortgage insurance. So obviously, the more you can put down, then you don't have to if you put more than 20%, then you won't have that PMI with your mortgage payment, and which in turn lowers your monthly mortgage payment, right? So, and you also get a better interest rate. So the question is, do I really need a down payment when you buy a house? Well, in some cases, no, but it's always better if you can have a down payment, because that's going to help your monthly mortgage payment. And also, don't forget that there are different types of loans, so you have to figure out which loan you qualify for. You need good credit in order to get a better interest rate and to qualify for a loan. And if you can put 20% down, then you'll avoid private mortgage insurance and you will get a better interest rate. So again, do you really need a down payment? Not necessary, but it's always better if you can do it. If you have any questions, then again, just ask me in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer those for you. You can always log on to janet.sahouses.com as well to get more info. Thank you.